Hello everyone, my name is Adebusola. I'm the lead formulator at Forever Yasaph International, where we formulate natural skin and hair care products. I'm inviting you to sign up for our natural bar soap making course. It's an online course where you'll be learning how to formulate natural bar soaps from scratch using the cold process method. The course is in two parts: Soap Making 101, which is for beginners, and Soap Making 102, which is more advanced. So in case you're looking to learn a new skill or to upgrade your soap making craft, this course will be perfect for you. Soap making is fun and I know you will love it. Can't wait to have you sign up. See you in class.